Mod your Fire Stick. You're gonna want to see this. Trust me. Let's go. Welcome to Touchtone App and Tech Trends. We bring you guys the latest apps and tech trends. If you're new, want you to go below and subscribe, hit the little bell, keep alerted on all my videos. I would appreciate that, guys. I appreciate you guys. I got something really good, guys. I have sulfur button. I think that's the way you pronounce it. If I pronounced it wrong, you let me know, guys. Please. We're doing away giveaways. We're doing away cash giveaways. We're doing all kinds of giveaways. You have to comment below and subscribe to this channel. That's the way you're eligible. But we're giving some of these away in my other channel, which is Anything Android. If you haven't been there yet, go below. I'll put the information in the description below. Or if not, just spell Anything Android one word and go and subscribe. And you'll be eligible to win these puppies, okay? Alright, so check it out. Universal attachment for Amazon Fire TV. This is cool because what? A lot of you guys have two remotes, and I hate that. That's why I use my smart TV mostly for everything. And with this, it's really this simple. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, we got this. We're gonna open this puppy up. Universal remote attachment. Obviously, this is for what? Your Fire Stick. Let's open it up. So what you have is your instructions, your remote, your box. Let's open it up. Plastic. Just feels like a remote. Just a long remote. Let's open this puppy up. And what it has in here is basically a fake remote, which is your what? Your Fire Stick remote. You're gonna, let's see, take this cardboard off, slide it off. All right. What it has in here. Oh, wait a minute. We're not done, guys. We got something here. We got the batteries. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this up in the back. Let me open these batteries. Let me crack these batteries up real quick. Put the batteries in here like that. Simple. And what goes in here is obviously your remote. We're using the paper dummy one for now, just so you can see. You're gonna slide it in. When you slide it in, which is like this, you're obviously gonna have to program it. So this is for your TV. You program this to your regular TV. You can turn it off and on, and then you have this remote for your Fire Stick. So you have both in one. It's pretty long. It's like, I guess, 1.5 size of your regular remote of your Fire Stick. But overall, it's not that bad. And you have your instructions here. It was a quick video to give you guys a little bit of education and helping you guys out. I appreciate you guys like always. You know what we do here, guys. Peace and grace. And catch the new takeaway.